Is a NFT screenshot possible to be sold? Well, to answer that question, stick around to the end of the video as I've left my bonus tip on how you can sell your very own NFT screenshot. Hey profession thinkers, before we get started on how you can turn your NFT screenshots into a 7-figure business, make sure to subscribe to the channel to become a member of the profession thinkers. Are NFT screenshots a bad idea? Screenshotting NFTs or NFT screenshots became a concept in tweets, viral discussions, and other memes. Memes made in line with the concept following a skeptical ideology of NFT crypto art similar to right-click and save as memes, suggesting that the collectives are worthless and non-essential because anyone can just screenshot the image and save it. Is selling NFT screenshots possible? Now, an NFT screenshot probably has a little to no value. However, with that in mind, you can much more easily sell the accomplishment you have screenshotted. For instance, Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey sold an NFT of the first ever tweet on Twitter. That tweet sold for $2.9 million back in March. The tweet almost certainly was worth more because Dorsey decided to sell it as an NFT tweet. How to sell your photos as NFTs? You could choose from MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. Once you have chosen your platform and set up your crypto wallet, you are ready to mint, the term used for producing NFTs. As with most things in life, there are fees involved with the minting and listing NFTs. Your chosen platform will take a percentage of sales price, which is pretty normal from any auction. Disclaimer: Proficient thinker, this is just a joke and it's quite impossible to sell a screenshot of an NFT. However, if you are interested in learning about NFTs, make sure to watch my previous video explaining what NFTs are. Don't forget to share this video to a friend and make sure to subscribe and like the video, and let's see how many people we can fool.